Obaseki don't mobilize contractors for the repair of Benin-Sapele road by bypass. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki on Monday assured residents where they stay along Benin-Sapele road say government go sharp begin rehabilitation work for the road starting from RCC to Ogheghe Junction. Obaseki, wey visit the area, talk say him administration know of the pain and go mobilize contractors to the site, make them start rehabilitation work on the fade portion of the road. Obaseki quarreled the failure of Federal Road Maintenance Agency, FEMA, and federal government to repair part of the roads way bad.
Even blind man, when he come here, he go nearly cry. I don't see what they complain about. It's serious. Okay. Yes, on Saturday, I called Minister Fashola myself, to tell and say they protest because of this federal road. Yeah. This morning, I called the controller of works. Are you here? You have seen this problem. What did you tell me? You say you don't have any discharge point. What discharge point do we need to rehabilitate this stretch? I mean, this is a major federal trunk road. I accept that the rains have been falling, but it's almost 1 week now that the rain stopped falling. What have you people done? I hope we are not playing politics with federal roads. Grey youths, let me make a promise to you. Tomorrow, I will bring my contractors here.
Spokesman for the youth, Daniel Ogheghe, thanked Oga Governor for his commitment to the welfare and livelihood of the people.
Last time we went to our SSG office, we laid a complaint concerning this road. We wrote to FEMA, to the council chairman then, House of Assembly, House of Rep, to Senate. All this with a reminder letters. We even wrote to Fashola, the Minister for Works and Houses. We even wrote a reminder letter to him. Up till now, sir, with due respect, nothing is going on. Nothing. Our children go for school from 1 o'clock, but they will get to 1:30. They will get home around 7:38 in the night. Before you go to school in the morning, you wake up as early as 4 o'clock. And the children are too small for that. So we are going through stress. We are Edo people, sir. But what we are seeing here is not good for us, sir. We are suffering. Thank you, sir.
From Benin, Usarugwe Monday for TMC News.